Prancer's Farm is located in the city of Santa Paula. Santa Paula is just located 20 minutes away from Magic Mountain in the city of Los Angeles.
When you come out to Prancer's Farm Stand, you will find our local avocados, citrus, wide variety of our greens, lettuce.
Our yellow watermelons.
Oh yes, we do have our yellow watermelons. And then we also have our own tomatoes, our heirlooms, our beef steaks. Our strawberries are straight from our field, right to our farm stand. Our produce, our vegetable, everything is straight from the fields to our farm stand for people to enjoy at home.
Besides California, our produce here at the farm is being sold in Las Vegas. We just branched out and we're selling anything from our strawberries to anything you can basically think of that you find here at our store is getting sold out in Nevada. At our sister location in Fillmore, we actually house the Fillmore Ag Kids is the ones that keep all their animals there. We also support our local explorers here in Santa Paula. We also support the 4-H kids. They all work and we give them a really good donation so they can continue building and buying new things for their program. I wish people would just see all the hard work that gets put into operating the farm, growing all this stuff. It's super easy for someone to say, oh, they own a farm, oh, they have everything, but when you're working every single day, you don't see the sweat and tears that goes behind all of it.